Look at how pretty it looks outside my dirty window. It's so windy out there. I don't know if I want to open up the window. You know I will. Curiosity always gets the best of me. Look at that. I don't think it's a cold wind. I think it's a nice warm wind. We'll see. But those definitely look like rain clouds, so I didn't think we were getting rain. We're getting a little bit of rain, and I think I'm safe up here, even though I'm really close to the wash. I'm up on higher ground. And plus, we're not getting that much rain. It's just a little bit. It's kind of nice. And it makes the desert smell so good. It was windy this morning. It's still a little windy. I've taken Roxy out for a few walks, and she, her ears, they go up like Dumbo. It's so cute. What do you think of this rainy day, Roxy? Just a day for relaxing. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Want to go out? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? Want to go outside? She's like, nope, don't want any part of it. It's always something. So, thank goodness for Google. I took this off. I unscrewed it. And then I opened it up. And it's like a little spring in there that broke. So, this had happened before. So, I know how to fix it. I just have to find the little springs. I think I have like 10 of them. So, I'm good. So, this is the beauty of having a small space. Is you can find things pretty easily. I'm not the most organized person, but when you only have like a couple places that you could look for things, you find them, you know? It's like I have a little garage space and a little junk drawer. It's like, okay, it's got to be in one of those. And that goes like that. And then this little piece. So that little piece goes in there. And then this is going to fit right inside here. But there's a certain way to do it, so I need 2 hands. There we go, see? Now it goes back into place. Okay, and then this goes like that. Yep, perfect. Yeah, the door wasn't, you know, sticking. Uh-oh. Oh, here they are. In my pocket. Got my screws. Do you feel like you need to supervise? Or are you okay? I think you're okay. She's good at supervising now. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Just checking it, making sure it's flush, you know. Yeah, that's good. Perfect.